Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to reconcile your GSTR 2A with your purchase data of books of account. First of all, select the company for which you want to reconcile the data, then select the period for which you want to reconcile. Then click on Go button. Now the dashboard is open. Here you have to click on Reconciliation Dashboard. For reconciliation, we have to download Spectra Purchase Template and then we have to fill the data in this template. If we have already filled our data, we can come to step 1. Here you will find two options, Spectra template and Tally Excel file. If you have filled our Spectra purchase template, you can click on Spectra template, and if you have exported GSTR2 from Tally, then you can import that file into our software for the reconciliation. As I have prepared the data in Spectra purchase template, I will click on Spectra template. You can see the data is imported now. For viewing our data which is imported, we can click on purchase from registered supplier as per books. Here we can find our data. If we want to verify some GSTN, we can click on verify GSTN button also. This process will verify all the GST numbers which we have imported in the purchase data. You can see it is verified and all the GST numbers are correct. Now I will close this, and then we have to perform step 2. Click to start reconciliation. Here you will find RICO method with the artificial intelligence and without artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence, our software will verify the purchase data. Here you will find two options for reconciliation method, with artificial intelligence and without artificial intelligence. If you want to reconcile by applying artificial intelligence in the software, you can choose this method. If you don't want to apply artificial intelligence method, you can click on without artificial intelligence. In the same way, we have given the round off option. If we want the round off for reconciliation, we can click on nearest rupee or nearest 5 rupee option. If we don't want round off reconciliation, we can click on no round off method. Then we will click on select GSTR 2A month for reconciliation. This means from which month 2A you want to reconcile your purchase data. Like if you want to reconcile some months, we can click on some months for which we have to reconcile the data which we have imported. If we want to import, if we have imported the data for whole year and we want to reconcile for whole year 2A, we will click on all months. Now we will perform start reconciliation. You can see B2B reconciliation is done. Now credit note reconciliation is also done. Now the RICO summary will open. Here you will see total invoices as per books, total invoices as per GSTR 2A, out of which how much invoice get matched, how much invoice get matched with artificial intelligence, how much invoices are mismatched, invoices not in books, and invoices which are not available in GSTR 2A. If we want to see the detailed report, we will click on B2B reconciliation. Here you will find supplier summary option. In the supplier summary, if we want to click on, here you will find the option of supplier summary. Like if you want to see the reconciliation result supplier wise, you can also check the supplier wise result by click on GST number or trade name. You can see 4 invoices get matched and 1 invoice which is available in GSTR 2A and not available in our books data. If we need to reconcile and check the invoices for all invoice, like all the invoices which are available in our GSTR 2A, which are available in our books, you can see all invoice report. Now out of these invoices, how much matched invoices, you can get the invoice wise report, matched invoices report, intelligent matched. That means the invoice number is not matched properly, but the date and amount is perfectly matched for the same party. Like you can see, the invoice number is 772 in our books, but in the GSTR 2A we have written BV oblique 772. That means you can see the structure is not matching of invoice, but the date and amount, it is fully matched. Now come to mismatch invoices. Here the invoice number will be matched perfectly, but the amount of taxable value and GST amount is not matching. You can see the difference is available here. Now coming to invoices not in 2A. Now coming to invoices not in 2A. Here you will see these invoices are not available in GSTR 2A, but we have and make the entries in our books data, and invoices not in books. That means these invoices are not available in books, but these are showing in our GSTR 2A. In the same way, if we have credit note reconciliation, we can get the details also. Same supplier wise summary, all CDN report, matched credit note, debit note. Out of this, intelligent matched, mismatched, credit note not in 2A, and credit note not in books. Since I have not entered any data for credit note, you can see all the credit notes are showing as CDN not in books. If we want to get the report in Excel, we will just click on export B2B. If we want the credit note reconciliation report, we will click on export CDN report. Thank you for watching the video.